In this video, I'm going to show you a quick overview on how to use CinchShare to make your direct sales business easier.
Hi, so I'm going to do a little overview on CinchShare and getting it started. So in the link to this video, if you click on the link below, you can get 30 days free with CinchShare. So you click on the link and we're going to go to get started free. And then you're going to log in or sign up. And do direct sales. And create a password. So then when you log in, exit out of this, and the first thing you want to do is connect Facebook. So it's going to pull up your Facebook and you can hit continue to give it access. And OK. And it will take you back to CinchShare. So it has found my page. We can go ahead and then it gives me access to any of my business pages as well as any groups that I'm an admin into. So at any time if you become a new admin, you're just going to hit refresh and it'll pull up those new networks. So that is under the network tab. Any of these that you put a heart next to will actually turn it under schedule a post. It'll put your favorites right here. So if that heart under my networks is not there, then that will not be there. If it is a broken heart here, you will actually need to link this group to CinchShare. In order to do that, you need to go to your Facebook, go to the group, and under More, go to Edit Group Settings. And then scroll down to where it says Add App. Comes up here. So once this comes up, you'll want to go ahead and search for CinchShare. I've already added it here, but it'll come up. You'll click on it, and then you're going to scroll down and save this. So then if you go back to CinchShare, you'll hit refresh, and then that broken heart will no longer be broken, and then you can click on that. This check mark over here makes it a default group. So if it's default when you're in the scheduling part of it, it's just automatically going to schedule in that one unless you unclick it or click it. In order to schedule a post, and I want to find the picture, you can type your whatever you want up here, and then you're going to mark it on the day and then the time and whatever groups you want it in and hit schedule post. That will schedule it. So let's say we'll do Friday at 2 p.m. and you're going to hit schedule post. So that post comes over here. So this is anything that is scheduled. So if you click on this, you can delete the post, you can edit it, which will pull it back over here, and you can change this. There are ways to do batch posting, and I'm going to cover that in another video. So if you are looking forward to that, make sure that you subscribe to this video, and I will do some more tutorials on some of these other options that CinchShare has. CinchShare is $10, I believe, a month after your 30 days.